Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add IDM extension in Google Chrome. Let's begin. So once you open up your Google Chrome web browser, you are going to search up Internet Download Manager not working on Chrome. And then you go to select the first link at the top, and you're going to be greeted by this page where it says IDM integration into Chrome does not work. What should I do? Now this is very important. Please note that all IDM extensions that can be found in Google Store are fake and should not be used. One, they could contain viruses or Trojans where your personal identity and sensitive information can be stolen. So basically, if you want to use the Chrome extension, you first need to install IDM on your computer, the application. So once the application is done installing, it's going to automatically install the Chrome extension for you. And please bear in mind that this Chrome extension is hidden in the Google Play Store. So what you need to do is you need to scroll down. And let's say that your Chrome extension does not install automatically after you've downloaded IDM, then you're going to use this specific link. It says here, if extension is not installed automatically, then install IDM integration module extension from Chrome Web Store using direct link below. So I'm going to select the link at the bottom here. But since I already have the IDM application on my computer, it has already installed the IDM integration module, but it is not enabled. So if you don't have it showing up like this, like enable now, so what you have to do is you have to select something which says install. But if you want it to work, then you go to the right side here, then select enable now. Then it'll say Internet Download Manager extension for Google Chrome has been installed. Then you go to select close page. So now it is fully working. So now if we go to the top right corner where the extension icon is, you'll notice that IDM integration module has been installed. And all you need to do now is simply just go and find that specific file that you're trying to download, and IDM is going to download it for you through Chrome. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free, and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.